Hello, it's the RC Renegade. We made it to an official mega truck race. Let's get into the details right now. So we made it inside the pit area, and there we go. There's a lot of action going on. I'm here with my friend Andrew, and we're just chilling out. We got some pizza, we made it inside. The trucks are coming on and off the track here, and we're just having a good time. So it's kind of warm. We're gonna hydrate, get some lunch, and just kind of hang out. So this is exciting. I'm here with my friend Andrew. Andrew, do you have any thoughts on this experience?
It's been a while since I've been in one of these. I definitely miss all the mud flying around. We'll see that in a bit here. All these trucks, it's super loud out here. Make sure we got some ear protection. It's gonna be a good time.
Yeah, we got our hearing protection. We're all set. The other car flipped over on his top. The Tortuga won, but I hope the other driver's okay. You can see he flipped upside down.
That takes the victory. And just so everybody knows, the driver of Awakening is okay. He is okay.
My friend Carl, and Carl drives this magnificent vehicle right here. Carl, what is this car, and can you tell us a little bit about it?
So this is a 1-ton mega truck. We call them super trucks. We run with the Premier Mega Truck Racing Series. My truck is called Tortuga because, you know, it's just a little turtle. It's a little slow, but it's faster than it looks. We have a lot of fun. It's a custom built chassis, 488 cubic inch motor. Makes almost 1,000 horsepower, power glide transmission, custom axles, custom suspension, 20-inch travel shocks, so they go way out. So when we air these things out, we jump them and get a lot of air into them. Custom cut and scoop tractor tires. Spend a lot of time getting these things all made up and done up, and they're fun to drive. They're just a great experience. Think about monster trucks, just smaller.
Okay, wow. And did you build this? Like, I love the paint scheme. Did you build all this yourself?
Yeah, so my buddy Trey Moody and I, we built this truck together. He built his with my help, and he helped me build mine. So yeah, we just do them in-house, and like I said, we all race together, we all build our trucks together, we all hang out together. It's a big family.
Well, that's so cool. Thank you for your time.
Well, thank you. Thanks for coming out. We'll see you guys.
wheels on that thing.
That truck's tougher than nails. You know, one good thing I can say I love about a mud bog is you've never, or a mud bog mega race, is you've never seen so many people enjoy getting mud sprayed all over.
And to add to that, the driver of Just Nuts is just fine, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to throw that out there. Give it a big round of applause for my spider, Just Nuts!
Yeah! So I'm here with my friend Carl once again, and these trucks go over such big jumps in such extreme terrain. Carl, could you tell us a little bit about the shocks on these vehicles and how they work?
So these are CNC overtime shocks. It's a nitrogen shock, so this is a piggyback reservoir. So inside of this reservoir has a piston that moves up and down with nitrogen inside of it, which pushes the oil, which helps control the truck up and down. The more nitrogen depends on how far the shock sticks out of the truck. So it depends on the weight. So you change the nitrogen depends on the track. The goal is you want to have your shock when it compresses to come almost all the way down to your bump stop, but not touch it. As you can see, I've got a little too much pressure in here, but I'm okay with it because I'm just trying to set where I need to be because I'm redoing the whole configuration of these shocks.
Okay, and is that a liquid nitrogen or is it an air?
It's a gas. It's a gas.
Okay.
It's pressurized nitrogen. So like my rears, I think I have about 150 pounds of nitrogen pressure when they're fully extended, 20 inches of travel. The thing that changes now is think about compression. When you squeeze that nitrogen, when it sits down on the ride height, now I'm probably around 500 psi of pressure when it sits down.
Yeah, so, when it compresses.
And then that's what's actually holding the truck up. So if I took the nitrogen out of these shocks you could collapse all the way down.
Yes, that's pretty cool, and I see you got them all the way around here.
Yep.
Now, the other question I was going to ask, you guys run with such extreme terrain with all the mud and the dirt. I see you have these radiators. Could you tell us about how do you keep these trucks cool running in such extreme temperatures?
So my truck runs on alcohol fuel, which means it typically runs cooler as a result. People that run on gasoline engines have much larger radiators, just like your car. The bigger the radiator, the bigger the fan, the more it'll cool everything down. Me, I only need this tiny little radiator because I have a concrete filled block. So the only thing I'm cooling is my cylinder heads. That's where your power is. You want to keep your cylinder heads cool, you put a little bit of water through it and let it grow through.
Okay, now I see there's two fans here, not just one.
So the second one is for your transmission cooler.
Oh, okay.
So in your normal car, a lot of times the transmission cooler is built into your radiator. Because we're racing, we separate them out so they don't get overheated for either side. And I can control the temperature of each side differently. So if I want my motor to get warmer, I turn my fan off. But I always want to keep my transmission cool. And I can turn the motor on when I want it to get heat to it.
Okay. Yep. Well, thank you very much.
Anytime. Keep on watching us.
Like
The mailman. That's clever.
Bunch of local sponsors came
There
in.
you
We
go.
got Johnny's
Give a thumbs up, Andrew.
We got
Yeah.
John's Muffler.
Let's see.
Miller's Fence.
Look at
AD
that.
Custom
Yeah.
Fuel Systems. Cruise
Not that much
Transport.
inside of there.
Arch Construction. JK Stella Electric.
So Andrew and I found the truck that had just flipped over. You can see the roll bar here. It's kind of messed up. You can see it's tore up on top. And that's not good. So they're gonna get it fixed and get it back out as soon as possible. Got some trucks over here. Look at this. I don't think these headlights are real, but it looks cool.
So we got a special guest.
Got the wheel here. Look at all that.
His first time ever being involved in a real mega truck race. How do you feel, Mr. Loco?
Now the cooling on these vehicles, look at the fan. I can't believe that you have to clean those radiators a lot to keep these vehicles cool. Look at all that dirt. Wow.
Freestyle competition.
As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for more videos.